Here's the unboxing and review of Dr. Rasheel Vitamin C Kit. Here's the cleanser. It repairs and protects skin from sun fades. Suitable for all skin types. It contains anti-aging properties, help to reduce wrinkles. Also used for removing makeup. It contains hyaluronic acid, helps to reduce skin wrinkles and lines. It provides deep and natural moisturizing and clear dark complexion, decreases the production of melanin, reduces dark spots and clarifies skin. Also, use before applying sunscreen to protect from sunlight. This kit is best and very affordable. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.